आपका सवाल
डायरेक्ट
सवाल ही नहीं समझा सर।
पूछना ही है तो डायरेक्ट पूछिए, इतना घूम के जाने की जरूरत नहीं है।
सवाल ये था कि आपने कमाल का काम किया दीपिका जी के साथ, और दीपिका जी प्रोड्यूसर भी हैं फिल्म के, और देखा जाए तो रणवीर सर भी एक तरह से प्रोड्यूसर, क्योंकि घर का पैसा लगा हुआ है।
एक्सक्यूज मी, ये किसने बोला?
हाँ, ये अज्यूम करना बिल्कुल गलत
ये
है।
मेरे खुद के पैसे हैं। एक्सक्यूज मी,
रणवीर सर से
मेरी
क्या
मेहनत है।
आपका सवाल हो गया सर।
Today in film, there's no lack of opportunity. Sure, in the kind of films that we've made, maybe say a couple of years ago, and the place of a woman in a film versus how those roles have changed today are very different. And of course the pay, which is again something that, I'd like to speak for myself and say that for myself, I think I've been able to bridge that gap in terms of what my male contemporaries are getting versus what I'm getting paid. There was a recent incident where a director offered us a film and said, creatively I liked it. And then it came to sort of talking about the monies, and I said, okay, so this is what I would charge. And it kind of went back and forth where he came back and said, actually, we won't be able to afford this because we have to accommodate the male, So I said, okay, then tata, goodbye, because I know my track record, I know what I'm worth. I know that his films haven't been doing as well as my films have been doing. So it made absolutely no sense. So I was okay to say no to that film based on that one thing, because I just thought it was unfair. And I'm ready today to take those steps or measures or decisions for myself, because I'm going to be able to sleep peacefully at night. I don't think I'd be able to live with that sort of thought, knowing that I've been a part of a film, had the same sort of creative contribution, or bringing the same sort of value to a film, but being underpaid. I was not okay with that.
Yeah, I come from a typical middle class family. My father was in the army. The salary was, not much, but of course, my parents tried to give us everything that they possibly could. Manish knows my parents very closely. He knows the amount my mother has, done to get to where I am today. So just to give an example, and because it's close to home in terms of Sui Dhaga, there was one time that I had to participate in a dancing, like a dance thing in school, competition in school, and the school was asking for a certain fee that you have to pay for the clothes. So I was so excited I was chosen to be part of this, and I went to my mom and I said ki mujhe choose kiya and all that. She was very happy, and my dad also was. But then she said ki how much are they asking for? Then I told her kitna price tha. So my mom's like, no, we can't pay this right now. हमको ये है, पापा ने अभी ये लोन लिया हुआ है, we have to pay for all of these loans, नहीं कर सकते. And I was so devastated कि मेरे को इतनी बड़ी opportunity मिलती है, and you don't realize it as a child what all your parents are doing to put you, where they are. But despite that, my mom did not, let my opportunity go wasted. उन्होंने खुद बैठ के रात भर सिला था. So I think there's a picture online also of that look of mine. I'm dressed as a nurse. That was the first time in 7 ages of a man, I still remember. And she stitched the beret and she stitched the dress for me. I have gone through that time where we did not have, the kind of money that, we have today, and the kind of life that I can provide to my family today. But I think your parents never let you see that. You never realized it till I got my first film. And I was driving back and suddenly I was like, ये तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा life change हो गई है. Like वो जो feeling आई थी ना, वो suddenly that's when it hits you कि life पहले कैसी थी. Till then जब चल रही होती life नहीं समझ में आता है, तब तुमको सबको ठीक ही लग रहा होता है. Because your parents don't let it show.
getting 1 crore for a minute performance is what we heard. It is a proud thing. What is your take on the same?
Guys, you also know remunerations and what all you all do to the numbers. So keep quiet, please. I never talk about remunerations. And no, my act is 12 minutes. सबसे पहले तो तुम लोगों का वही न्यूज़ गलत है कि 6 मिनट का act है.